Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, what can we say? We are still going sideways. There's still very little that excites me about the DAX at the moment, apart from this little triangle that is forming at the moment. You're going to not really see that on the daily, but it is a double inside bar. Let's just get back to the daily, sorry. So we've got, single inside bar. So it's inside bar on the previous day. Now, they are red. Could go either way. What I'd like to see is a red, sort of a green, then a red inside bar. That would give me a bit of confidence that we're probably going to roll. But that kind of setup, for it to go up, it would be a red with a green inside bar. But red on red, 50-50. It's not something that I want to play with. And I mean, a picture paints 1,000 words, and this picture is just pure chaos for me. There is no structure here. There is nothing. We are range bound, and I have a feeling we're going to stay range bound for quite some time. So at the moment, that seems to be the level we're respecting, 131.32, and to the upper side is this previous swing high here. You see rejection off that. That is 13241. So go straight down to the 1 hour. And there you see the chaos. Okay, so Friday, Thursday was a down day. So Wednesday was an up day, Thursday was a down day, and Friday was a range day. And there's our range. Now, I suppose if you are good at trading ranges, you have the ability to bag 100 points up, 100 points down all the time. But not my forte. Definitely not my forte. So I just want to have a quick look at what's happening on the futures market. Let me just refresh this chart quickly, because that doesn't look right. Nope, it's right. So DAX is up 0.88% at the moment after closing flats on Friday. So, which is sitting us at 12,279, which is kind of at the top of this range, somewhere up here. All right, 12,260, 12,267, 12,278.79. So price is sitting up here at the moment, which is also an area of resistance. So if I was to look at this chart on the hour, and actually I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Ooh. So what we've got is we've got to move up on the, looking at the 20-minute chart. We've had a pretty good solid move up, and then we've gone into a range. Okay, this is messy. When you see this kind of stuff, you can see this is not what you're looking for. You're looking for this kind of structure here. You're not looking for this. So you're looking to be above the moving average pointing up, or below the moving average pointing down. You're not looking to be above and below and the moving average flat. That just indicates range. We are in a range. So I'd like to see some kind of a pullback and structure form either at the gap, which is possible, or 13241. Come back, find some support, and then get in for the long. What I'm looking for is this measured move. So here's the move up. There's the measured move. Okay, so that should take us to 13,514. 50-50 in my books, bit of a risky move, because what could happen here based on what I'm seeing is price could come back and then just muck around here continually for the rest of the day, or alternatively come back, make a leg down, and then muck around somewhere in this area. So the bigger picture is a bigger range. But look at the 4 hour, you get a different picture, don't you? You get a picture of buyers coming in here off the bottom. So it's very possible. This is a triangle. There. And there. Okay. So, yeah, this measured move is pretty much what I'm looking for. So, the structure we're looking for is a break and a retest. And I'm not going to take a diagonal on this one, being the DAX. I will look for something like that. Okay, 13,215, or the gap, Okay, if we do have a decent break today and we sort of form some structure on the 15-minute, I'd also look at that. Okay, but the minute we start forming anything like this, red, green, red, green, red, green, anything like that, I'm out of it. I'm looking to see more green than red, and that's what I'll be waiting for. But yeah, it's kind of a 50-50 trade for me at the moment. Probably still debating whether I'm going to leave my money in my pocket on this one, or whether we are going to take a stab at it if we get the opportunity. So we're looking for a break here. We really do have the break, so we're looking for support right around here at 13,215. Just bear in mind you've got a gap to the downside. And I'd probably be taking a very wide stop. So stop will be below this area here. 127 points. So for me, that will probably be a third of a normal position to put in, and then see what happens. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope that helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.